active stretch of severe weather coming up next 5 days, starting today, tomorrow, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are the days we are most concerned about. Enhanced risk Friday, enhanced risk Saturday. So far, slight risk Sunday. I do see upgrades coming Friday into Saturday, potentially looking at a moderate risk in areas, level 4 out of 5 for severe weather. Damaging winds in excess of 70 to 80 miles an hour, hail in excess of 1.5 to 2 inches in diameter, and unfortunately, tornadoes. The northern mode of this from western Kentucky, southern Illinois, into southern Indiana, portions of Missouri, does look to be a strongly forced linear mode QLCS of storms that will be potentially capable of the 70 to 80 mile an hour damaging winds, 60 to 70 mile an hour damaging winds, large hail, line embedded tornadoes, some of which could unfortunately be strong. The southern mode of storms, Tennessee, southern Arkansas, North Mississippi, central Mississippi, Alabama. That's where we're looking for a potential regional outbreak of severe weather. So far, looks like a mixed mode of early onset supercells will develop in a highly unstable environment, move eastward, and congeal into grow upscale into a line of storms linear mode, which would be promoting the 70 to 80 mile an hour damaging wind speeds, large hail, and of course a few line embedded QLCS tornadoes, again, some of which could be strong. The supercell tornado threat is what we're really worried about in this case. Supercell tornadoes, a strong, discrete supercells alone or their own environment in a highly unstable, highly sheared environment will be capable of strong, long track tornadoes. This is somewhat a conditional risk at this point. The further we get into it, the more that it's looking like those will be a player. Again, early onset. Some of this will, like Friday night into early Saturday morning, the first round of storms moves through western Tennessee, northern Mississippi, into portions of Alabama. Depending on how that stabilizes the atmosphere, if there's enough rain storms to stabilize the atmosphere, it could, don't get hung up on that, lower the overall threat for Saturday. If there's not enough storms, not enough rain to go around, the atmosphere is going to be highly sheared, highly volatile, very unstable, and we again unfortunately are looking at a regional outbreak of severe weather on likely Saturday. Friday night, I'm not saying is clear by any means whatsoever. Again, storms move through Friday night, late Friday night, or into the early morning hours on Saturday, still capable of 60 to 70 mile an hour damaging winds, line embedded tornadoes, and large hail. Saturday is where we're looking at the possibility for more discrete storms, strong long track tornadoes, and large hail in combination over an extremely large area from southern Mississippi, central northern Alabama into southern middle Tennessee, potentially southeastern Arkansas. That's probably where we end up seeing a moderate risk level 4 out of 5, in my opinion. Not a guarantee, but in my opinion, Saturday is looking moderate riskish. This is going to be a situation that needs to be paid close attention to. You guys need to have a severe weather safety plan in place, ready to go, a place of shelter in the center lowest level of your home, away from windows and doors, surrounded by the most interior walls. Make sure you have as many ways to get watches and warnings as possible. Social media is one of the lower levels of warnings. You need cell phone, WEA alerts, weather radio, TV, radio, your local meteorologists, to be able to get these alerts. If you're relying on social media, it's one of the last level warnings right before tornado sirens that you need to be relying on for warning unless they're providing live coverage. Live coverage is wonderful, but again, have multiple ways to receive watches, to receive warnings in case you happen to get one. If you get one, go to shelter. If you are in a mobile home, trailer park, something of that nature, and you are in the enhanced risk, slight risk, any of the areas over Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday, you need to prepare. You need to contact somebody, find a sturdier means of shelter if you are in these areas. A mobile home is absolutely not safe during any types of severe weather, potential tornado outbreaks, high wind events like we're looking to be potentially seeing here. 80, 90 miles an hour, 100 miles an hour, 110 miles an hour is going to destroy that mobile home. You definitely need to be in a place of sturdier shelter and have a plan ready to go to potentially vacate that premises. Stay tuned and subscribe for further updates on this potentially unfolding dangerous scenario.